Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to contact Booking.com customer care. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to go to Booking.com and we need to sign in into our account. Now at the top right of your screen, you should see the register and sign in button. So go ahead and click on sign in. Now, once you've done that, you need to go ahead and scroll to the very bottom of their webpage here, and you should see an option here that says Customer Service Help. So go ahead and click on it. Now, from here, you'll be redirected into the Help Center for Booking.com. Now, you have two options on reaching out to customer care. So you have the send us a message, so you'll be contacting an agent about your booking, and they will actually reply to you as soon as you send them a message. Now you also have the call option here for anything urgent. Now they also have local and international phones here that you could use to contact them. Now in this case, you could go ahead and sign in or continue without an account. So in this case, you go and click on continue without account, and from here you just need to provide your booking details. So that includes the confirmation number as well as the PIN, and just hit on continue and follow the steps for you to basically contact a customer care representative. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.